1, 2, 3, go!
What's up mga kaigala? Welcome to another day,
Another sleigh!
we're gonna cook breakfast
Dito sa may indangan
ng Davao City. Let's go! Ay, bro. Karon, we will prepare simple Filipino kind of breakfast na usual dyan na ito nga ginakaon. So we have here pancit canton brought to you by Lucky Me. And did you know that according to the research or study that ato i-consume lang sodium intake every day, it's 2,500. And ang pancit canton na siya 800. So that's half, or that's almost half. So dapat did na siya everyday ginakaon. We also have here the cucumber, which also contains 90% of water. And we have here tomatoes. Is it a fruit or vegetable? Vegetable. We also have here this dried fish from, we brought this from Agdao. And also have here eggplant. Is it a fruit or vegetable?
Vegetable!
Did you know that this eggplant was cultivated in India for more than 1,500 years? Alright, did you know that? Okay, so we're gonna also have here eggs. Did you know that egg has 11 parts? They're just not like shell, the egg yolk, and the egg white. Egg has 11 parts. Okay, so that was our trivia this morning, and we'll get back to you guys.
Damn! Thank you, Joshua, for that wonderful trivia. Now, moving on, at this juncture, I will introduce to you our best cook in this town. We have Alan Arcela! And of course, the one and only girly girl, Girly! Hi, Chef! Asa ka nagluto ka ron?
Nagluto ko talong.
Wow! Talong!
Talong.
Fried talong. So, sa ito makita ka rin, no? Murag healthy dyan kayo ang talong. Murag kaantawang ako dyan siya gipalit sa Agdao Market. Di ba?
And here we have okra.
Yes, okra. Ooh, yummy!
Siyempre, hindi magiging kompleto yung cooking video ko kapag walang montage!
Kini,
Ang atong simple Filipino themed breakfast.
thanks to our humble chef. And that's it. For more exclusive video,
Don't forget to like.
Subscribe and turn on the notification bell.
And don't forget to share.
Bye-bye, Gala! Bye-bye!
Pangaon na!
Pangaon na?
Yes, pangaon na!
Did you know that Budol fight is a military tradition which practiced by military, and the food is placed on the banana leaves on a long table, and soldiers eat with their hands as a sign of camaraderie and equality.
See you in our next vlog. Don't forget to...
Bye!